question. Have you ever studied a new English word and then completely forgot it the next day? Or worse, you remember it until it's time to speak. Then suddenly, it's like your brain goes, no, never heard of it. If that's ever happened to you, stick around. Because in this video, I'm going to show you 7 smart, science-backed techniques that will help you actually remember and use new English vocabulary, even if you've got a memory like a goldfish. Hey, I'm Jane, and welcome to Talky, where English learning is smart, simple, and never boring. If you find these lessons helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Talky. It takes 1 second, but it really helps me grow this channel and keeps me motivated to make more free content just for you.
Hoo-ah!
All right, let's stop forgetting words and start using them like a pro. Let's dive in. 1. Visualize the word. Turn it into a picture. Our brains are wired to remember images, not just text. So every time you learn a new word, don't just read it. Close your eyes and imagine a specific picture. For example, learn the word freezing. Don't just translate it. Visualize this. You're standing outside in the snow, teeth chattering, wrapped in 5 jackets, still cold. That feeling, that mental image makes the word unforgettable. Even better, make it funny or strange. The weirder the image, the stronger the memory. 2. Use the word immediately. Say it and write it. Here's something I tell all my students. If you don't use the word, you'll lose it. So as soon as you learn a new word, use it within minutes. Speak it out loud in a few example sentences. Write a short paragraph using the word. For example, if you learn the word curious, don't wait. Say, I'm curious about how airplanes work. My dog is very curious when I open the fridge. When you actively use the word in your own voice, you start owning it. 3. Make it personal. Link it to your life. One of the biggest mistakes is learning vocabulary in a generic way. Instead, ask yourself, how is this word connected to my life? Let's say you just learned achievement. Instead of memorizing it as something you accomplish, think, what is my biggest achievement? How do I feel when I achieve something important? When a word becomes part of your story, it sticks. Your brain sees it as important, and it stores it better. 4. Use spaced repetition. Don't cram. Here's a little science. Your brain needs to forget something a little bit before it can remember it better. That's why spaced repetition is so powerful. Learn a word today, review it tomorrow, then again in 3 days, then next week. You're training your memory to come back to it again, and every time it becomes stronger. Use apps like Anki, super powerful but a bit advanced, Quizlet, easier and great for pictures, or just make a simple flashcard system with paper. The goal, review smarter, not harder. Learn phrases, not just single words. Memorizing one word at a time is slow and not how native speakers speak. Instead, try learning in chunks or collocations, natural combinations of words. For example, not just decision, but make a decision. Not just attention, but catch someone's attention. Not just responsibility, but take responsibility for something. These chunks sound more natural, they're easier to remember, and they help you speak fluently. Keep a phrase notebook, not a vocabulary list. 6. Label your world. Turn your house into a classroom. This one's especially fun for visual learners. Take sticky notes and label everything in your house. Mirror, fridge, light switch, cupboard, charger. Each time you see it, you're exposing yourself to English in a relaxed way. You're building passive memory, which will later become active. You can even write small sentences like, this is a mirror, I look at myself here. Learning by living, no stress. 7. Teach it to someone else. This one is a game changer. If you can explain a new word to someone, you're really learning it. Even if there's no one around, try this. Record yourself explaining the word. Say what it means. Give 2 examples. Use it in a short story. For example, today I learned the word embarrassed. It means feeling shy or awkward about something. Yesterday I spilled coffee on my shirt in front of everyone. I felt so embarrassed.
I learned the word embarrassed. It means feeling shy or awkward. I spilled coffee on my shirt yesterday. I felt so embarrassed.
Boom, you just practiced speaking, explained the meaning, and made it memorable. Okay, now, let's quickly recap the 7 best ways to memorize vocabulary. Visualize it with clear, fun images. Use it immediately, speak and write. Make it personal, connected to your life. Use spaced repetition, review over time. Learn phrases, not words. Label your environment, teach it to someone else. Start small, pick 2 or 3 of these techniques today and try them with 5 new words. And remember, the goal isn't just to know more words, it's to use them naturally when you speak. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel grow. Comment below and tell me what's one new word you've learned this week. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful English tips that actually make a difference. I read every single comment and I always enjoy seeing how you're learning and growing. That's it for today. I'm Jane, and I'll see you in the next video, right here on Talky, where English finally makes sense.
Thanks for watching.